Hello, everybody. Full. Who cares? Hello, everybody. It's Gabe T. And I'm brought out again. Well, I brought myself out again to you guys to bring you this. I don't even know what to call this. What you see on the screen. But you guys probably heard of it, or you might not have. And I do apologize for bringing this to your attention.
You want some water? Okay. There you go.
What is that? Oh my God! What is that?
Or maybe I shouldn't apologize, because maybe I just made your day better by bringing this to your attention. We have some very kinky stuff going on. Alright? This is your puppy girl. I don't know her name. It's whatever. But you've guys seen the video. And we are here to analyze what is going on. So, let's start out with the first vid. Now, looks like a normal vid to me. Never mind. Okay. You know, where's she at? A park? A dog park? She's really at the dog park with it. And that is... what the fuck, dude? What is that? Why is she at the dog park with it? Keep the kinkiness in the bed. But you know what? We shall play the vid once more. Alright? You guys look at this with me. Near the end. She seemed like a normal person at the end. You know what I'm saying? She seemed like a regular person, you know, having a little fun jumping into the pool, but you see the first part of the vid and you're like, bro, what the hell is going on? I mean, she's obviously, you know, she probably is, you know, she obviously has friends, probably a boyfriend, most likely. I mean, he's the one probably filming the vid. Yeah, that was weird. Let's check out this next one.
Alright, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Hey, give me the ball.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, give me the ball.
I don't know what that retardation was. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. That must have been the dumbest thing I've seen in a while. But I'm not gonna judge, you know. Yeah, I'm not gonna judge. That was pretty weird. That was weird. Here's the next vid. I'm just gonna analyze. I'm gonna take a look.
You want a treat? You want a treat? Sit. High five. Sit pretty.
Okay.
Bang.
She got tats on her. You see the belly tat. Okay.
Good girl. Here you go.
Oh, her name's your puppy girl, Jenna. Okay, Jenna. That's your name. Well, Jenna. You know, you can obviously tell Jenna was just like in band or chorus in high school, because this is why she's so weird, man. This is the only reason to explain why she's so weird, bro. She had to be in band or chorus or whatever the fuck that shit is. Alright, she was in that. This is why she's weirdo, bro. Alright, you know what, Jenna? Yo, I'm sorry, man. I had to tell you, bro. This is some weird stuff. I mean, you know, probably you and your boyfriend like that stuff, but you know what I'm saying? Put it on TikTok for the clout. I mean, you got the clout, but at what cost? What cost, Jenna? What was the cost? A slice of your humanity? That was the cost?
A small price to pay for self.
Clout.
Man, what the fuck, dude?
Hey, what are you doing on the couch?
Okay.
You know better than that. Bad girl. Go to your bed.
Okay, she's.
No, quit whining.
He really got the dog
You know
stuff
better
set up
than
for this
that.
girl. He really put, or he, or she, or he, bro. This relationship, they really put the funds in to make their content. And as I told y'all in my last vid, someone just found some peace and happiness off of this content. Bro, that's the craziest part about all of this. Someone really was happy and peaceful. They were probably happy and peaceful making this. Bro, what the and I ain't gonna shit on him too hard. But it's you know, it's not, you don't see this every day, bro. For real, you don't.
You want the ball? You want the ball? Go get it.
Bro, did y'all hear? Wait, hold up. She do be arching though. She do got that arch. But stay strong, stay strong. But I know y'all heard this. Them boys were saying run. She had these dudes running away. These dudes were scared of her, bro. They're like, what the fuck? It's a girl pretending to be a dog. Run. Listen.
Want the ball? You want the ball? Go get it.
Those kids are saying run in the background, bro. Oh my gosh.
Run, Forrest, run!
Dude, that's crazy. I'm saying, technically, in all of this, I am giving her the clout, bro. But in reality, I'm biting off her clout. Massive brain. My IQ is so big. Gosh, dude. Smart 17-year-old. Dang. Okay. You know what? I don't know. Look, YouTube.
No,
It's not what it seems.
no bad girl. That's what your toy's for, okay? No, drop it.
Man,
drop it.
you know what?
Drop it. Outside. Come on, let's go. Outside right now. Outside. Bad girl.
Bro.
Bad girl.
Hey, my guy really do be having him trained though. Like she's trained, bruh. Like my boy really trained her to be like this. I mean, in reality, she trained herself by joining chorus and band in high school, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is definitely pretty crazy. I mean, it's not, bro. It's 2020. Obviously, this is the most normal thing that's probably come out of 2020. Let's be real. Just a girl pretending. Okay, well, she says she's pretending, so hopefully it's not a full-on fetish or whatever. You know, she's just pretending. So let's not give her all the flack, guys. You know, they're just doing their kinkiness outside of the bedroom. Yes, they are. But look, though, I ain't gonna lie. She do got that arch, and I know y'all saw that last vid. Them cheeks were they were on swole. Them cheeks were fat. Yo, puppy girl Jenna, hey, if you watching this vid, hit me up. Instagram is HD4RTFUL, okay?
I'm a scat man.
Do apologize for the inconvenience of that door. But as I was saying before, I mean, when I say that, I'm talking about the content, not the girl. The girl, you know, let's just be real, guys. She belongs in the Arkham Asylum, her and her boyfriend. You know what I'm saying? This guy's just really pretending to be the Joker in real life. I mean, guys, we're witnessing the Joker in real life. And this is Harley Quinn. The Joker is behind the scenes, you know, he's making her do all this weird stuff. You know how Harley Quinn was all crazy, you know what I'm saying, yeah, for the Joker, yada yada. I heard in the new movie she got her heart broke by him. That's tough. Shouts out to Solamnati. Solamnati. Hey, but hey, like I said before, you know, it's just kinky stuff. You know, obviously, the one where she's, you know, in the mall, that was a little too far. You know what I'm saying? You really shouldn't be in the mall with it. That's I don't know. That's that band and chorus stuff kicking in. But you know, yeah, they were just being kinky, man. That's really it. This is just a kinky page, bro. But yo, Jenna, hey, I don't care about your boyfriend. I don't care about him. If you see this vid, the Instagram is H34RTFUL. Cause that arch, I ain't gonna lie, them cheeks, that arch, bro. Oh, chill out. I'ma chill out. But nah, though, if you do see this, hit me up on Instagram. You know, we can get something talking. And yeah, honestly, that's all I gotta say. Gabe T, Nuts Baby, I'm out.
I've been trying to live, but the feeling of life is getting old. I used to want kids, but bringing kids into this world is cool. Cause the world is so cold. So cold. How can anyone survive in a world where the black mamba is able to die? I don't know what I'm doing anymore, so I wonder until I get lost. I'm confused. I've lost everyone, so I really don't care if I lose you too. I've lost everyone, so I really don't care if I lose you too.